Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Tomboys Gifts is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding challenges for anyone looking to celebrate the unique spirit of individuals who defy traditional gender norms, embracing practicality, adventure, and personal expression in ways that truly stand out from the crowd, making every present an opportunity to acknowledge their authentic self. Number 5. Loritta Wool Socks for Women. Experience unparalleled comfort with these premium wool socks. They are designed to keep your feet cozy and warm even in the coldest winter conditions. Whether you're hiking rugged trails or relaxing in a cabin, these are your ideal companion. Their durable design ensures comfort and support for all your activities. Looking for a thoughtful present? These make excellent stocking stuffers or gifts for any woman in your life. She'll appreciate the warmth and quality. For professionals who spend long hours on their feet, these provide essential comfort. They offer the support and warmth needed during demanding shifts. Designed to fit perfectly with hiking boots, they prevent chafing and provide cushioning. Enjoy your outdoor adventures with superior foot protection and warmth. What we like? These cozy socks are perfect for keeping warm during the colder months. If you're looking for comfort and warmth, these are an excellent choice. They make a great practical gift for anyone who loves to stay snug. What people say. Number 4. Lightning Reaction Reloaded Shocking Party Game. Introducing the ultimate party game designed to bring electrifying fun to your gatherings. This exciting challenge is perfect for adults and teens looking for a unique game night experience. Each player simply grabs a handle from the base. Then, press the center button to start the suspense. A red light will blink, accompanied by thrilling music. Wait for the red light to turn green, then react instantly. Press your trigger button as quickly as possible. The last person to react will receive a harmless, yet surprising, electric shock. The objective is simple: have the quickest draw and the best timing among your opponents. It guarantees hours of laughter and unforgettable moments as you and your friends get zapped. This game features a variable shock control, allowing you to choose between low, medium, and high settings. Decide how much electric thrill you can handle for an even more exciting experience. Add some serious zap to your next party or pull shocking pranks on your friends. Bust this game out for an electrifyingly good time that everyone will remember. It is designed for teens and adults, not for children under 14 years of age. Remember, it requires 3 AAA batteries, which are not included in the package. What we like? This game offers an electrifying challenge for groups. With its variable shock control, you can adjust the intensity for maximum fun. If you like competitive, high-energy party games, this will definitely liven up your next gathering. What people say. No reviews available in the provided source to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no product details could be quoted. Number 3. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026. This innovative orb features a gyroscope and smart AI chip, ensuring intelligent and dynamic flight. Different throwing angles and speeds create unique flight paths and a cool boomerang effect. Beyond just fun, it helps improve children's hands-on ability, operating skills, intelligence, and creativity. It's an engaging way to learn and play. Crafted from high-grade ABS material, it's lightweight, flexible, and built to withstand countless crashes. Its propellers are safely concealed, ensuring no harm to children. Simply connect it to a USB connector for just 25 minutes for a full charge. This provides 8 to 10 minutes of exciting flying time. You don't need much space to enjoy this hand-operated drone. It's designed for smooth flight indoors and outdoors, making it perfect for any setting. This flying ball is a great conversation piece for gatherings. It's a simple and fun way to introduce concepts of physics and aerodynamics, even to young minds. It makes a fun novelty gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. It's an enriching present for kids, teenagers, adults, and even the elderly. What we like? This innovative flying orb provides endless fun with its unique boomerang effect. It's durable and easily rechargeable via USB, making it convenient for play anywhere. If you're looking for a cool, interactive gadget that works both indoors and outdoors, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 2. ProSpin Portable Ping Pong Set. Turn any surface into a fun game in seconds. Its retractable net securely attaches to most tables up to 72 inches wide and 2 inches thick, allowing you to enjoy a quick match wherever you are. Experience lasting family fun with premium paddles. They feature solid wood, responsive sponge, and smooth rubber for better control and a comfortable grip, ensuring quality that feels good and holds up over time. This all-in-one set provides everything you need. It includes a retractable net, 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a convenient zip-up storage case, making it perfect for play at home, on holidays, or anywhere you want fun. Bring more laughter and energy to family time. It's a simple way to get everyone moving, reconnecting, and enjoying time away from screens and devices. Our local customer service team is committed to your satisfaction. If your set doesn't arrive in perfect condition, they'll replace it, ensuring you're 100% happy with your order. What we like. This set transforms any table into a game of ping pong in seconds. Its retractable net and all-inclusive accessories make it incredibly convenient for spontaneous fun. If you want to bring family and friends together for active, screen-free entertainment, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Number 1. Original Stationery Glitter Tattoo Kit. Unleash creativity with this amazing glitter tattoo kit. It's perfect for adding a touch of magic to any occasion. This comprehensive 33-piece set includes everything needed for dazzling designs. You'll find 24 stencils, 6 vibrant color pots, 2 brushes, and adhesive. Perfect for ages 3 to 8, it provides hours of safe and engaging entertainment. They will love creating their own sparkling body art. It's the ultimate addition to sleepover parties, playdates, or as a special birthday gift. Watch their faces light up with joy as they transform into glittery masterpieces. Applying these temporary tattoos is simple and fun for kids. They offer a fantastic way for children to express themselves with vibrant, temporary body art. What we like. This kit allows for creative expression with vibrant, temporary glitter tattoos. It comes with everything needed for easy application and a dazzling result. If you like unique, fun activities for parties or creative play, this set is sure to be a hit. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points can be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.